Namaste everybody, you are most welcome to our yoga channel Patanjali Yoga Foundation Rishikesh, India. So there are many difficulty comes when we go to practice intermediate to advanced level of asanas. And there is the difficulty comes to choose and decide which asana to include into our lesson plan, which help to function our all that 7 chakras, which help to function all that 7 endocrine system, and which help to function all our more than 600 muscles. So we will work all about this system, but if you haven't subscribed our channel, so kindly please press the like button, subscription button and bell icon, because if you do not press the bell icons whenever you upload the new video, so notification wouldn't reach to you. So therefore please press the bell icon. So now let's practice and solve all these questions answer what to include into your lesson plan. So now let's practice and let's chant Om. Now let's chant Om all together. Now please let's chant the union mantra. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanao Bhunaktu Saha Virayam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvisavahai. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanao Bhunaktu Saha Virayam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvisavahai. A great salute to universe. So bring your both hand upon the knees. Now let's chant. Now let's make the deep inhale and exhale so to purpose to clean the nose and warm up the lungs and chest. So now deep inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now you can clean your nose and come to the Titli Asana. Hold your feet and shake the knees. Now hold your thigh and roll it. Now, so bring your left heel touch the inner thigh and bring your right up. Both hands upon the knees, spine straight, neck straight. Now, deep inhale through the left nose, exhale through the right nose and sound breathe. Now, deep inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. Inhale, exhale, 3. Inhale, exhale, 4. Inhale, exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Drop your hand. Now clean your nose. Now continue. Let's practice right to the left side. Now with your right hand. Inhale, exhale left. 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. Drop your hand, clean your nose. So now continue please. Now slowly stand up. And bring your both hand up upon the buttocks and arch your back. Bring your both arms up, lean your body forward, hand interlock on the back. Now you shake 6 times. Now inhale, hand upon the buttocks and arch. Inhale, exhale, lean your body forward, hand interlock. Now you shake and shake here 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale, your hand upon the buttocks and arch. Now bring your both arms up, lean your body forward, hand interlock, and now you shake. Now inhale up and now release. So now let's practice the moon salutation today. So now come in front of the mat. So few things are different than sun salutation. So it's very good to practice into the evening time and especially for the woman. So it really work for the woman's health, woman's body. Moon salutation, the Chandra Namaskar. So slightly open your leg. Now bring your raise your both arms up. Inhale, exhale, the prayer pose. Now deep inhale, both arms up, open. Arch your chest here, Urdhva Stotanasana. Exhale, lean your body forward. Fingers and toes in one line, forehead touch your leg here. Breathe here. Dipadhastasana. Now slightly bend your knees. Now deep inhale, your right leg back. keep your knees up, bring your both hands back, open throat, open your chest. Now your right knees, ankles on the ground, and bring your both arms up and arch your chest here. Again is known as the Chandrasana, the moon pose. Hand upon the chest into the prayer pose. Palms on the ground. Inhale and retain. Bring your other leg back. The plank pose, Dandasana here. Heels to head, body in one line. Hold here. Drop your knees, your chest, chin, nose, forehead on the ground. Ashtanga Pranamasana. Drop your ankles, your hips, inhale, and Bhujangasana. Shoulder wider, open through, look up ceiling. Now turn your foot, buttocks up, the mountain pose. Hold here. Now slightly bend your knees, buttocks on the heels, is known as the Sasankasana, rabbit pose. Also Sasank means name of the moon. Now you stand up on the knees and then slightly arch your chest here. Now bring your hand upon the chest, bring your right foot. Now another leg. Now inhale, both arms up, open and arch your chest here. Exhale, lean your body forward. Fingers and toes in one line, forehead touch your leg. Now slightly bend your knees here, hold here. Now deep inhale your left leg back. Bring your both hands back here, open throat, look up ceiling. Bring your knees, ankles on the ground, bring your both arms up, open your hand and arch your chest. It is also known as the moon pose, Chandrasana. Hand upon the chest. Palms on the ground. Inhale and retain. Bring your other leg back, body in one line. Hold here. Drop your knees, your chest, chin, nose, forehead on the ground. Drop your ankles, your hips, inhale and Bhujangasana, shoulder wider, open throat, look up ceiling. Turn your foot, buttocks up, the mountain pose. Hold here. Breathe here. Feel here. Slightly bend your knees, buttocks on the heels. Sasankasana is name also is of the moon. Inhale, stand up on the knees and arch your chest, hand up. Hand upon the chest, prayer pose. Bring your left foot. Bring your right. Bring your both arms up. Arch your chest. Exhale, prayer pose. Bring your both arms up. Hand by the side. Step back. Hand goes to the front. Bend your knees and child pose. Relax here. Feel here. Breathe here. Now, so please stand up, face to the side to practice Prasarita Padottanasana. If you need the cushion, take nearby. If not, Please remove the cushion. Now, so stand in the center of the mat, both legs together, is known as the Tadasana, the palm tree pose, the Prasarit Padottanasana. Prasarit Pad means open your leg apart. Uttan is help to open your posterior part, anterior part. So now open your leg, first right, then left, both arms up. Your wrist and ankle should be in the same line, so you can see the body become square, spine straight, neck look to the center. Hold here. Now bring your both arms up, hand behind the ear, and let's count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slightly bend your hips forward 90 degree. Hold here. 45 degree. 25 degree. Palms on the ground here. And now suppress your shoulder. Leg straight. Spine straight. Hold here. Let's it count. You can see the spine getting straight and then spine straight here. Now let's count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So further information, please mind. Bring your fingers and toes in one line and shoulder and palms in one line. Shoulder and palms in one line, fingers and toes in one line, and head up. Yes, like this. Hold here. Then now inhale and exhale your crown on the ground. This is the known as the version 1. Hold here. Bring your attention on the hips, on the hamstring, lower abdomen region. And then let's count. During the counting, bring your attention on Swadhisthana chakra on the hips and hamstring. Now 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your both arms up. Step by step. Bring your hand upon the buttocks. And now on the buttocks, and arch your back to open your interior part of the body here. Let's count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. Again both arms up for version 2 or step 2. Belly in, lean your body forward. Now 45 degree, 25, palms on the ground. Hold here. So here we will practice version 2 and 3 together. So now bring your fingers and toes in one line and palms and shoulder one line, and head up. Head up, belly in, exhale, crown on the ground. Now with your both hand hold your ankles. This is known as the version 2. Hold here. Let's count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now version 3. Hold your toes and head up. And now exhale, your crown on the ground. This one known as the version 3. Hold here, let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now inhale, bring your both arms up. Up, bring your hand upon the buttock to open anterior part. And then slightly arch your back. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your both arms up here. Take a deep inhale and exhale here to practice 4 and 5. Contract your belly in and lean your body forward 90 degree here. 45, 25, palms on the ground here. Hold here, breathe here, feel here. Now bring your fingers and toes in one line, shoulder and palms in one line, and head up and crown on the ground. Now, so we will practice together version 4 and 5 together. Now, once you fix your forehead, your crown on the ground, bring your hand interlock if your body allow. Hand interlock on the back. Index finger is straight and let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, bring your both hands for the fifth version on the hand into the prayer and head up. Hand into the prayer and now exhale your crown on the ground. Version 5. Let it count. 6, 5. So bring your attention on hips and hamstring or lower abdomen region. 4, 3, 2, 1. This position known as the Prasarit Padottanasana. Now inhale, bring your both arms up and then now raise up, hand upon the buttocks and arch your back to open the interior part of your body. Now bring your both arms up and you can try also arch your back. It also helps to open your interior part of the body. Now raise up, hand by the side, bring your left leg, bring your right, and now relax here into the standing. Take a deep inhale and exhale now. Now, so please take a cushion and sit down for Titli Asana and face to. Now bring your both feet together, hold your feet and now shake your knees. Hold your thigh and roll here. Now with the both hand hold your right and rotate. With the both hand hold your left and rotate. Now bring your both arms up, palms together, open throat, look up ceiling. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Titli Asana, butterfly pose. Bring your hand upon the chest. Hold here. So everything please practice your physical level. So mind your health. Your health is more important for us. So then contract your belly in and lean your body forward as far as possible. Palms on the ground. Hold here. Breathe here. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your both arms up and then grab your knees. Hold here. Breathe here. Feel here. Hold here. Now, so let's continue to practice for Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana means Paschim means posterior part of the body. Uttan means stretching or opening. Purvottan, Pur means interior of the body. Uttan means stretching and opening. So now both legs straight. Now bring your both leg to the front, hand by the side, is known as the Dandasana. Now bring your both arms up, palm facing each other, body 90 degree to practice Paschimottanasana. Contract your belly in and lean your body forward 45 degree, 25 degree. Now hold your toes, hold your feet and hold your wrist. And now chin touch your leg here. Hold here. Breathe here. Bring your attention on lower abdomen region or hips and hamstring. So this position also help to open your lower back muscles. So continue here. Let's practice. Let's it count. 6, 5. So you can bring your attention on lower abdomen region or Swadhisthana chakra. Now 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring your both arms up. Prepare your wrist for Purvottanasana. Bring your hand on the back here. Measure 1 and 2. Fingers inward or fingers outward. Lock your wrist, lock your elbows straight here. You can choose your feet 90 or pointed and buttocks up. Feel you is opening your anterior part of the body. Hold here. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. So now let's continue to practice Utthita Paschimottanasana, that upward forward bending. So maybe you do not need a cushion. Cushion can go to the back side to support, not to fall down back side. Now here, slightly bend your knees. At the place of the knees, bring your heels here. Bring your both arms up. Prepare your wrist here. And now, with the both hand, hold your toes, hold your foot, hand interlock, and then raise up. First raise it up, and then you grab your hand interlock, and then bring your chin and leg closer. And then chin touch your leg here. And then as close as possible and elbows are open. And then hold here, let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Try your chin touch your knees. And 1 here. Hold here. Breathe here. Now very slow. Release here. Now, same way, leg straight. Bring your both arms up. Prepare your wrist. And then now, bring your hand to the back. Measure 1 or 2 for Purvottanasana. Now, then slightly lift your buttocks up. The Purvottanasana. Open the anterior part of the body. Hold here. Breathe here. Feel here. Hold here. Breathe here. Hold here. And now, exhale to the cat position, cat stretching. Now, inhale, head up. Exhale, spine up. Inhale, head up. Exhale, spine up. Inhale, head up. Exhale, spine up. Inhale, head up. Now buttocks on the heels, stretch. Hand by the side and child pose. Now let's continue to practice for Chakra Asana in the 3 versions. So Chakra Asana is known as wheel pose. It's work for all the chakra, which work for all that energy channel. That's why the name is Chakrasan. Now turn your body, lie down to the back side. Both legs straight. Now slightly bend your knees. Heel touch your buttocks. Bring your hand underneath your shoulder. So anyhow is known as advanced chakrasana, those people who cannot do. So now deep inhale, buttocks up, shoulder up, and stretch up here. Very good. Hold here. Breathe here. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slow 1. Release here. Now slightly bend your knees. Hold your feet. Chin touch your knees. Hold here. It is known as the Apanasana. You can grab your elbows, each other, feet pointed. Hold here. Breathe here. Now, so release and let's continue to practice the further here. Heel touch the inner thigh. Bring your hand underneath your shoulder. Now, so slightly bring your body up. For this is the version 2, just for here and now, up here. Straight your both arms. Slightly walk your leg forward, leg straight. More, yes, straight here, very good, very good. Hold here, breathe here, feel here, hold here. Breathe here, hold here, and let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very slow release. And now bend your knees, Apanasana. Hold your feet. Chin touch your knees. Cross your hand here. Hold your elbows. Is a feet pointed. Is everything we are practicing the complete Apanasana. Bring your hand underneath your knees. Rock forward and backward. Now, so lie down to the back side, knees upon the chest. Knees upon the chest. Bring your both hand wider, open. With your right hand hold your left knees and drop your both knees to the right side. Now, bring your both knees up. Now, with your left hand hold your right knees and then drop here. Grab here. Breathe here. Now, inhale up. Now, with the right hand hold your left knees and then drop here. Breathe here. Now, inhale and bring your, now with the left hand hold your right and exhale. Now, inhale, hand by the side, both leg up, and now exhale, and now release here, hold here, take a deep inhale and exhale now. So take a deep inhale and exhale, continue to let's practice the Gomukhasana, the cow face position. Now please turn your body left side and sit up, and now face to this side, both legs to the front. Now leg is straight, bend your right leg as a baby, hold here and shake here, move here. Gomukhasana, the cow face position, which is really good for the knees and hips, joint and ankle. It creates the mobility. And now left leg to the right side. Now hold your knees and ankle, bring your knees upon the knees here. Keep your feet in 90 degree. Then whenever you bend in the same line of the right heels, bring your left heels also in the horizontal way. And then you can hold your both ankle and move your buttocks here. Keep your feet in 90 degree. Now feet in 90 degree, bring your both arms up. Spine is straight, neck is straight. Now bring your right hand from the up, hold with the left here. Now bring your left hand, hold as a chain. And then spine is straight, neck is straight, hold here. Breathe here. Feel here. Hold here. Breathe here. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3. Gomukhasana, which work for Manipur chakra, the middle back muscles stretch. 3, 2, and 1. Now bring your both arms up and then slightly lean your body forward from your buttocks, your ball and socket joint, palms on the ground here. Hold here, look to the front. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your both arms up. And now release and both legs to the front. Now slightly bend your left leg here. Hold as a baby. And now shake for a while. Create the mobility to the hips and buttocks and the gluteus and knees and ankle. Now left leg to the right leg to the left side. Hold your knees and ankle, bring your left knees upon the right knees. Keep your left foot 90 degree here. Now, so slightly bend your another, keep your heels in the same line. Hold your ankles here. Now slightly move here. Keep your feet in 90, knees upon the knees. Bring your both arms up. Now bring your left hand up, now bring your right hand here. Now with the both hand hold here as a chain. Hold here. Breathe here. Hold here. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3. Bring your attention on Manipur chakra, which work for middle back muscles. Open your side, work for pancreas, digestive system. And now 3, 2, and hold here. Breathe here. Hold here. Now bring your both arms up. And now lean your body forward. Hold here. Look to the front. And it really helps to open your gluteus muscle, thigh hips joint. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your both arms up. And now hand by the side, open your leg, Visramasana, face to that side. Open your leg in the line of the mat, hand behind, and relax, Visramasana. Now relax here. Now continue to practice for Garuda Asana. Please stand up. So we will practice one leg facing this way, one leg facing this way. So now, little bit more. Yeah. So now please stand up into the palm tree pose, Tadasana, to practice Garuda Asana. The Garuda, it is known as the holy sage, spiritual, and nowadays is known as the transport, the vehicle of Lord Vishnu. Also he have written one textbook known as the Garuda Samhita. So it really works. So now bring your left foot one step further. With the both hand hold your hips. Slightly bend your left knees here and fix your feet. Contract your belly in and then bring your right leg and grab here. Bring your both arms up in the line of shoulder, then up here. Bring your left hand front 90 degree and then grab with your right hand here. Hold here. Breathe here. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring your both arms up. Hand by the side. Release your leg. Go a step back. And bring your left leg back here. Now please face to this side. Let's see from the front here. Bring your right foot to the front. With the both hand hold your hips and then slightly bend your right knees. Now look to the front, contract your belly in, and now bring your left foot and hold here. Very good. Bring your both arms up, then bring your right hand front and grab your left hand. Hold here. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring your both arms up. Now hand by the side, step back, and now relax here. Now let's practice for Chandra Asana. Chandra Asana, so there is the half and then full. So now let's continue to practice for moon pose, Chandra Asana. So open your right leg, half step, and now your right foot right side. Both hand up here like Virbhadrasana, face to this side. Now, so slightly with your left hand hold your hips, right knees bent, and put your hand 1 or 2 steps. 1, 2 here. Now, Fix your palms, fix your feet and slightly stretch your body up. For this is the Ardha Chandra Asana. Rotate your neck if body allow, look up ceiling. Hold and then body allow, then bring your hand up here. Hold here, let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and then foot pointed, upper foot pointed. Hold here. Breathe here. Hold here. Now slow release. Hold your hips. And now again go to this side on the mat. Now open your left here. Left foot to the left side. Now both arms up here. With your right hand hold your hips. Now slightly bend your left knees. Measure 1 and 2. Palms on the ground. Now so slightly fix your hand and palms. Go up. Hand straight. Rotate your neck if your body allow. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If your body allow, hand up. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If your body allow, foot pointed. Hold here. Breathe here. Feel here. Now very slow release. Hold your hips. And now again stand up. Your left foot closer. Now continue. Let's continue to practice for dolphin movement and Sirsasana. Now please move on the mat, face to this side. No. Now so sit down into the Vajrasana to practice for dolphin movement. Now bring your both arms up. Lean your body forward. Measure your elbows, hand interlock. Now knees up, buttocks up. Now inhale, move your shoulder back and now exhale. 1. Inhale. 2. Inhale. 3. Inhale. 4. Inhale. 5. Inhale. 6. So now sit down, buttocks on the heels. Organize your t-shirt, trouser, your hair. Now so again bring your both arms up. Lean your body forward. Measure your elbows. Hand interlock. Crown on the ground. Now buttocks up, knees up. Sirsasana, mind contraindication, especially for women. If menstruation, generally high blood pressure, brain hemorrhage, migraine, they shouldn't do it. Further practice on your physical level, on your responsibility. So hold here. Put your attention on crown chakra, which known as the head stand, is work for the head. So if your head is healthy, all the body is healthy. Hold here. Let it count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If your body allow, open your both leg apart here. Open the flat, not forward. Hold here. Breathe here. Feel here. If your body allow, bend your knees, Titli Asana. Hold here. Breathe here. Now bring your both leg up and slow release and come back. Child pose, Balasana. child pose, Balasana, this position is counter pose of Sirsasana. Head stand. Now come to the dog, is a complementary for. Now tongue out and rotate your neck 6 times and 6 times opposite. Hold here. Breathe here. Feel here. Hold here. And now your buttocks on the heels. Now open your knees wider for the sound of the hissing. You could do the face to this side. Open your knees wider. Now so deep. Inhale and tongue out. Inhale. Inhale. Now lie down to the back side. And now tense your body. So let's now hand by the side, both legs together. Now leg, raise your leg 3-4 inches up. Now tense, tense, tense and exhale. Now your buttocks up. Tense, tense, tense and exhale. Now your both arms up. Tense, tense, tense and exhale. Now your shoulder and head up, tongue out. Tense, tense, tense and exhale. Now open your leg in the line of the mat. Palm to the sky is known as the corpse pose, the Savasana. Savasana, no action with your body, no action with your mind, which is known as corpse pose. Savasana is very much important for your body, for the mind. So you must practice 5 to 7 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, which give the deep relaxation. So after the 5 to 7 minutes, 10 minutes, so now turn your body to the left side. Left hand use as a pillow. And also you can hold here for 1 to 2 minutes. And now sit up into the cross leg position. Face to this side. So now sit down, hand upon the knees or both hand upon the chest into the Namaskar prayer pose or into the gesture of the lotus, Pankaj Mudra. And then you can continue meditate 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes. After the meditation you can chant. So let's chant Om and closing mantra. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Puranat Purnamudachyate Puranasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Santi Santi Santi. A great thanks to universe. Rub your palms together. Put upon the eyes. Open and close your eyes underneath the palms. And now, thanks everybody. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching our video. Kindly please like, share, subscribe and write a beautiful comment that how did you like it, and your comment will help us to create a new content. Thank you very much.